Hello, this is Paul, and I'm doing the 66 days of data, and this is day 2. So I'm doing a LEET code problem from the algorithm section in the easy category called two-sum. So I'll read the question. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So let's look at the examples. So we have this input for nums with the target 9. So it looks like 2 and 7 add up to 9. And then they return the index of both of those. Okay, so now we got 3, 2, 4, and the target is 6. So it looks like 2 and 4 add up to 6, so they return 1 and 2. And then we got 3 and 3, and the target is 6. So they return 0 and 1 rather than like 0, 0, or 1, 1. Yeah, they don't want that. Okay, so let's think. Another part of this is asking, can you come up with an algorithm that is less than n squared time complexity? Okay. I think that we could do that if rather than using two for loops to compare the consecutive integers, we could just ask if the list contains a value that we're looking for. And like the contain method, I think has constant runtime. So then we might only need to use one for loop. So, okay, let's try this out. So we got for I in range. This is in Python, by the way. In range, let's do, oops, lane nums. Yeah, so I think what we want to check to see is if, say we have like our target is 9, and then we're at item 2. So we could do like 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And then we ask, is 7 in the rest of the list? I guess that's kind of just like pseudocode. So let's define a variable and call it difference. So we got difference is equal to the target minus the ith item in nums. And then, yeah, so let's just put this into actual code. So if diff in the rest of the list. So let's see. The rest of the list means everything after the ith item. And here we're just using slicing. So this means everything after the ith item. And we can return the ith. So that's the index for the first item. And then we want to return nums dot index of diff. Okay. Let's see if this is it. Okay, so okay. Yeah, so this looks like it passed the tests that they were looking for. Okay. So yeah, that's day 2 of 66 days with data. And this is really just here I was learning and touching up on my Python, like just remembering the syntax and also algorithmic time complexity. So those are the 2 topics that I kind of brushed up on today. So yeah, thank you.